In this video, we will see some of the patent filed from us, what were the documents submitted, and what is the application stage right now. So first we will go to IP India. There we will click on public search and we will go into patent section. Then in applicant name, we will write one of our applicant name, Mrs. Vandana Purvant. Then we have to enter the code here. So this was the application we filed. And if you want to see the documents, you can see here. Then we have submitted form 1, form 18, form 9, then form 26, then form 3, then drawing, then form 5, then form 2, and then NBA approval, which we got from NBA. So form 1 which we filed is here. Then form 18, then form 9, form 26 is done on stamp paper. Then form 3, then drawings, then form 5, then form 2. So this is the format of form 2. Field of invention, background of invention, objective, then drawings, and detailed description, then we have described the terms we used, then examples, working examples and advantage of invention, then claims, then abstract, then this is the NBA approval, the NBA form we submitted. So this is the approval of for applying for IPR from NBA. So this is the patent we filed on anti-theft locking device for motorbike. So this is the form 1, form 18, form 9, form 26, form 3, then form 2, form 5. So form 1, you can go through various patent like this from patent office. Then form 18, then form 9, form 26, then form 3, then form 2, then form 5, then drawing, so this is the invention. Thank you.